It can be very challenging for you to be able to get student accommodation anywhere in this world. Reason because most of the times when you're new or when you're a student in a new environment, you do not know where to start, and some of the options that are available for you as a student are not really student friendly. And that is why I want to present to you with a very amazing platform that will allow you as a student to get suitable accommodations for you anywhere in the world. We are talking about UK, USA, Canada, Australia, Germany, Ireland, Portugal, Denmark, France, and Spain. If you are a student either currently in either of these countries or you are planning to relocate as a student and you do not know where to start, then Amber is a place you should look for these amazing accommodation options. They are very suitable, and we are going to look at why you should choose Amber and why Amber is the best option for you to get accommodation and housing as a student. If you're in Australia or you're planning to move to Australia as a student, Amber will offer you very great accommodation options in Melbourne, Brisbane, Sydney, Adelaide, Perth, Canberra, Gold Coast, and Coffs Harbour. If you're in Canada, you will find the amazing properties in Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver. If you're in USA, you have more than a lot of options in very different states. This includes New York, Chicago, Austin, Boston, Houston, San Francisco, Dallas, Washington DC, Philadelphia, LA, and College Station. So guys, as you can see, this amazing platform is all over the world. You will get a lot of opportunities to choose from. That is from either dorms, shared rooms, and en-suites. Someone is going to ask, why should I choose Amber over all the other accommodation companies and platforms that are there? One, Amber is very easy to search. Once you get to their website, everything is so easy to navigate, and you'll find each and every accommodation and the preference you're looking for in the different countries and different states all around the world. They also have very great choices to choose from. I said, either you can choose an en-suite, a shared accommodation, or their dorms. Amber offers convenience, and all their properties are situated near all the universities and colleges that I have discussed in each and every country. All their properties are very safe and secure, and if you want to check, guys, you can check their reviews, because Amber reviews speak for itself. They offer top-notch in terms of each and everything, and security is not left out. All their prices are inclusive, meaning the price that you find for these properties are inclusive of utilities, that is water and electricity. They provide a hassle-free experience. All you need to do is get on the Amber platform, look for the property that you want, choose the option that suits you, and everything is taken care by their executives. So you do not really need to struggle how to write or how to go about lease agreement. All that Amber will sort for you. The best thing I love and why you should choose Amber is because they do not have any hidden charges. That means the price that you see on these properties is all that goes. That also means that these are people who are very trustworthy, and they do not have to hide a lot of charges. And remember, I have said all their prices are inclusive. I want us to look at how you can book Amber accommodation as a student and how to go about it step by step. The booking process to Amber accommodations are very easy, and the first thing you need to do is search. This entails you going to the Amber website, looking for the options that are available and the ones that are preferable for you, and then place an inquiry for your preferred accommodation. The second thing that you need to do is finalize everything, and this will be handled by the booking executives that will do all the paperwork, including your lease agreement. And the next thing that you'll need to do once you've paid each and everything is settle in your new home. The process is as simple as it gets. It is as simple as that. If you're a student, you do not have to stress anymore. All the links and how to access these amazing accommodations from Amber, I will leave them on my description box so that it will really help you to go through what they offer. I really know the struggles of a student when they are relocating abroad, because sometimes accommodations can be very limited and there will be a lot of challenging. Also, moving too far from your school. Amber ensures that you live close to your school. Amber ensures to give you very convenient accommodations. They ensure that your safety and security is top priority. They give you a lot of options to choose from. Their prices are all inclusive. This process is also free because their executives will take care of everything and there are no hidden charges. I do not think it can get better than that. I believe if you're a student and you're looking for accommodation, Amber will give you top-notch service. They will also give you very good options to choose from, and also they are going to ensure that you get everything in terms of accommodation. So if you've been struggling with accommodation, if you're relocating or you're planning to relocate abroad as a student and you do not know where to start, then Amber will sort you, and Amber is where you should get your affordable accommodation from. So be sure to check them out. I will leave the link on the description box. Till next time, be safe, keep safe, and bye.